Is Google stock a buy in late 2023? Well, after already skyrocketing by over 55% this year and back to trading right near an all time high, most investors would probably tell you no. However, I'm not one of them. Google still trades at the same valuation as the sector on a forward PEG ratio basis. That's dirt cheap considering how much larger, more dominant, and just all around better they are. Last year, Google did over $280 billion in sales, of which $60 billion was pure profit. And because they don't pay a dividend, that's $60 billion that can be reinvested right back into the business. How many other companies can do that every year? And it's just one of the many reasons why sales are still growing about 10% a year despite their already massive size. I get that the stock has risen a lot, but there's good reason for it, as this year in particular has also seen a notable uptick in AI usage. Well, as the biggest search engine, mobile operating system, internet browser, video browser, and third largest cloud computing platform in the entire world, Google has all the information and horsepower they'll ever need to benefit directly from it. In fact, they're already implementing it into various parts of their business, including search and their Pixel family of products that is trying desperately to imitate that of Apple's, which that alone has already made Apple the most valued company in the world at almost a $3 trillion market cap. And in my opinion, it's only a matter of time before Google reaches that size as well, which, by the way, means the stock would have to more than double from here. And I think it'll happen. Long term, I rate this a buy. But what do you think? Let me know down in the comments.